Today I am reviewing the Amtrol WX-202 well pressure tank. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever dealt with a well pump that cycles on and off every few seconds, you know exactly how frustrating and damaging that can be to your plumbing system. I have been running the Amtrol WX-202 in my own utility room for the past 6 months, and after a lot of headaches with cheaper, off-brand tanks failing prematurely, I finally have some real-world thoughts on whether this is the upgrade you actually need. The first thing you notice when you unpack the WX-202 is that it feels significantly more substantial than the generic blue tanks you find at big box hardware stores. It uses a high-strength steel shell that feels like it could take a beating, which is important if you're installing this in a tight corner of a basement or a garage where it might get bumped. What really sets this apart, though, is what is happening on the inside. A lot of cheaper tanks rely on thin bladders that eventually get brittle or develop pinhole leaks. Amtrol uses a virgin polypropylene liner that is designed to stay flexible over a long lifespan. I have seen enough of these tanks get waterlogged because the internal membrane failed, so knowing that this liner is engineered not to crack, chip, or flake gives me a bit more peace of mind. Installation was straightforward, but I have to be honest, it is a heavy piece of equipment. If you are doing this solo, make sure you have a solid strap wrench and a good pipe wrench ready to go. The connection points are reinforced, and that positive hoop ring seal that Amtrol advertises really does make a difference when you are torquing down your fittings. I didn't get any of those annoying slow drips that usually plague DIY plumbing jobs. If you want to check out the current pricing or see if this fits your specific setup, you can find the links below the video to explore the product further. Now, let's talk about performance. The drawdown capacity is exactly what you would expect for a tank of this size. It keeps my pump from short cycling, which was my primary goal. During heavy usage, like running the dishwasher while someone is in the shower, the pressure remains remarkably consistent. I haven't noticed any major fluctuations or the dreaded water hammer that usually signals a failing air charge. However, it is not perfect. My biggest disappointment is the exterior finish. While the steel shell is tough, the paint job seems a little prone to scratching if you are not careful during the install process. I ended up with a few scuffs just from maneuvering it into place, which makes me worry a little bit about long-term corrosion if you live in a particularly humid environment. If you are putting this in a damp crawl space, I would definitely recommend giving it a quick extra coat of rust-inhibiting paint before you hook it up. This tank is clearly aimed at homeowners who are tired of replacing their pressure tanks every 3 to 5 years. If you are looking for the cheapest option on the shelf just to flip a house or get through a quick repair, this is probably overkill for your budget. But if you are planning on staying in your home for the long haul, the value here is in the longevity. You are paying for a superior internal design that is much less likely to leave you without water on a Saturday night. You should avoid this tank if you have a very small utility room where space is at an absolute premium. It is a vertical tank, and while it doesn't have a massive footprint, it is tall. Make sure you measure your ceiling clearance before you pull the trigger. Also, if you don't have a basic understanding of how to set your pre-charge air pressure, you might find the setup process a little intimidating. You absolutely have to check that pre-charge with a tire gauge before you turn the water on, or you'll be setting yourself up for failure from day one. Overall, the Amtrol WX-202 feels like a professional-grade piece of hardware that bridges the gap between residential convenience and industrial reliability. It is not a flashy product, and it is not going to change your life, but it does its job quietly and effectively. If you are interested in seeing the full specs or checking the current price to see if it fits your project budget, remember you can find those links below the video. It is a solid investment for anyone who wants to stop worrying about their well system and just get reliable water pressure every time they turn on the tap.